Thank you. Thank you, Captain. And could I please mention that you probably saw the other day, because thousands of you liked it, I posted a photo of 3 gentlemen who had reached the 40-year with Carnival loyalty milestone, meaning they've worked for Carnival for 40 years. We had the chief engineer, Carlotti, and we had hotel director, Mr. Duncan Puttock, and the man in the middle of that photo was this gentleman here who celebrated his 40th year with Carnival Cruise Lines. And as a reward, we've had something made especially for you, Captain. It's not something you can ever use because you're not allowed, but we wanted to give you this as a special thank you. It's a $5 casino chip with my face on it. So, Captain, don't just take it. This is serious, right? Now, you know as crew members we're not allowed in the casino to gamble. So this will only, you can put this on eBay as somebody already has, and you know who you are, and who received $50 for this already. You, Captain, I know this will, you'll put this, being a true Italian, on a nice gold chain, and you'll wear it right here.
Our beverage operations manager, Swami, responsible for all the yummy treats here on board, Executive Chef AJ.
Now we have the host of the Sausage Fest,
Captain Controversy.
eating sausage balls.
Crispy and delicious.
Good. Yeah, they're going after the flying fishies. There you go. You got one.
Hey, buddy.
Literally, right there.
Hey, buddy.
Meow.
Well, that's a long beak. They're so pretty.
Alright, coming out of the room, this is an elevator bank. That's where we are, deck 7, even. And then here is the bank with the glass elevators. We are going to be going down. I'm going to say hi to Liz. Hi to Liz.
Hello.
Oh, you're supposed to say hi to Liz.
Hi, Liz.
Greg.
Where's Michelle?
Hi, Greg.
Hey, you up?
We didn't bring our
You're supposed to say hi, Greg.
Oh, we need to have a lanyard.
And please make sure you take a photo of the teapot, the ice carving at the very front, because the chef has done that especially.
Chickens and made it smaller because oh my god, do you see what is this? I mean, not only do they cauliflower us every other day, now they give us these tiny buffalo
Those are
chicken turds.
That's a bird flu chicken nuggets.
What?
That's what you get when you get the bird flu, and you get those things. In a true Scott fashion, we're gonna try the sandwich. Have you tried the deli sandwich? This is good. How's the soup?
Have I tried the deli sandwich? Yeah, I have.
It's pretty good.
It's a pretty meaty grinder without
is.
sausage. Just to let you know.
Yeah, no sausage, but it's good.
Better than these little turds. What is this? This used to be buffalo chicken, and apparently inflation has hit Carnival, and they said, "Well, this is what you get now for buffalo chicken." So
It's buffalo popcorn chicken.
it's
I think
nothing but the breading.
I think popcorn's bigger than that.